a cheat code. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Live-ALEXTWB. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Why would I lie to you? 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 Beats on the beat. Late shift, blue light, all night, TWB on. If you're still here, you're part of the song. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with bookmaps, trust that chat. Slow control, no FOMO, Ryan Mac teach us that. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit, pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Mom's, dad's, grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars, trades, a schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community, scam a Ponzi. I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit, pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.
Good morning. Let's see. Got it all up. Got it all up. And we went right down to 25,727 last night. Took a minute to get to 780. And then just kept kind of falling down. This thing wants to fall. Start a poll here. Started that poll. All right. We get started here in about 3 minutes. We live. Got a couple gaps up here that we could go get. Hovering around VWAP right now. Look at some, let's look at silver. Oh my goodness. What happened to silver? Oh. Sell it? Epic silver loss. What's going on with gold? Gold's been selling off too. Everything's selling off. Goodness gracious. Yeah. Here we go. And we're open. All right. Let's see. Sometimes when you start something and don't know, a lot of people don't know about it. You just do it by yourself for a while. Gotta do it. I don't think anybody's in here. Good morning. Oh, excuse me. Let's take a nap. I mean, we got economic calendar up. What are we looking at? Wednesday. PMI services. ISM services, PMI. That's about 25 minutes away. You just tuck away right here. All right, let's get this show on the road. About 11, 21 minutes, 21 minutes till we get news here. All right, you're back. Still going up. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Question is, now do we fall? Meantime, let's listen to some music. Boom.
If you're still here, you're part of the song. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with bookmaps, trust that chat. Slow control, no FOMO, Ryan Mac teach us that. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit, pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Moms, dads, grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars, trades, a schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community, scam a Ponzi. I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit, pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. That's right, everybody's favorite community. The Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Yeah, Think with Bookmaps community, man. It's the TWB community. It's the TWB community, man. Yeah, it's the TWB community. Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. All these guys are saying where the females at, man. I'm saying, bro, what are you on about, man? I'm trying to trade futures in here, bro. We trade futures, man. This is futures trading. If you wanna go find a girlfriend, then go on Tinder, bro. Go on Tinder, go on Hinge. Go on some other app, bro. We trade futures in here. Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps community, man.
Kaz beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in. Yeah.
charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down, trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets loose. You see red, you panic, we see red, we wait. Discipline the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. TV30B taught me how to trade and leave. Think with Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want frills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare up at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with a tape, heart on chill. Master the mind, that's the real skill. Think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. T-P-O-V-B fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too. This game's too real. One cleans up, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they face. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill. Master the mind, that's the real skill. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too.
RMTWB, think with Bookmaps, baby. Let's get it. Live RMTWB. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Live RMTWB. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Alex guys, you are trading on liquidity and order flow. You gotta know the flow. Live setups, bro, that's all you need. Pro insights, how you get them profits up. He ain't trying to be your mentor, he ain't trying to sell you a course. He's here to show you what you never see before. Once you get it, it's a cheat code. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Live RMTWB. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Why would I lie to you? 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 Why would I
Got about 8 minutes till we get news here. Good morning, Echo.
Why would I lie to you?
Gas beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in.
Yeah, charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets loose. You see red, you panic, we see red, we wait. Discipline the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. WB taught me how to trade and lead. Think with Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want thrills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill. Master the mind, that's the real skill. Think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. WB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too. Yeah, think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too.
Late shift, blue light, all night, TWB on.
If you're still here, you're part of the song.
Think with Bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with Bookmaps, trust that chat, slow control, no FOMO. Ryan Mac teaches that if you're here for the climb, not just the hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Moms, dads, grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars, trades, a schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community, scam a Ponzi. I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with Bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with Bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.
Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough, you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. That's right. Everybody's favorite community, the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Yeah, Think with Bookmaps community, man. It's the TWB community. It's the TWB community, man. Yeah, it's the TWB community. Welcome to Think with Bookmaps.
We got about like 27 seconds before we get some red folder news here. Hopefully see some action here. We should see some candles moving.
I'm saying, bro, what are you on about, man? I'm trying to trade futures in here, bro. We trade futures, man. This is futures trading. If you wanna go find a girlfriend, then go on Tinder, bro. Go on Tinder, go on Hinge, go on some other app, bro. We trade futures in here. Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps community, man.
Just dumping. I don't know if this is liquidity grab or going to be a continuation, but right back to 822.25. See what if it goes to the VWAP here, 25.804.
Cats beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in.
Yeah. Charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down, trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets loose.
Are you
see red, you panic,
watching the news, man?
Discipline the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. TV30B taught me how to trade and leave.
Jumping off back to the VWAP.
Most want frills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world
That's a name I haven't seen in a while.
Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare up at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits. That's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single
Thank you for
loss.
joining.
Ego loud when you don't know the
We're
cost.
just
Alex talking, I just
kind of sitting here watching the news here that's going off first 2 minutes. Technically, some prop firms like TPT won't allow you to trade it. You have to be 1 minute out, 1 minute in. So you want to make sure that you guys are properly trading your prop firms, especially during news events, red folders like these. I suggest Lucid. Obviously, for a prop, if you're trading cash, then hey, we're in a different ball game. But
think with Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want thrills, but this game's too real. One cleans up, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's alright. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they face. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego
Oh, thanks,
loud when you
Alex.
don't know the
Appreciate
cost.
you.
Alex talking,
Shout
I
out
just
to
take down
Alex.
notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that
Advertising the
close.
setup
I
on
don't need
9Q.
hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill, master the mind, that's the real skill. This dream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too.
What's up? Just watching Jolts. That's what's up. Man, what happened to silver and gold? Just bumped off last night. We got a gap to focus on up here at 25,982. Why not go to all-time highs? Let's just go run it. It's taking its sweet time on the NQ, huh?
Bro, that's all you need. Pro insights, how you get them profits up. He ain't trying to be your mentor. He ain't trying to sell you a course. He's here to show you what you never see before. Once you get it, it's a cheat code.
VWAP test. We need that to close up there.
You don't know what you missing, what you waiting for. Live RMTWB. You don't know what you missing, what you waiting for. Why would I lie to you? 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 Why would I lie to you?
One thing about streaming I've noticed is that you gotta have something always talking, communicating. It's crazy. Like Rocket Scooter, talk, doesn't know how to shut up. Just constant. It's like I don't know how to keep talking. It's funny. It's funny to me. I mean, Tradester, he just sits there and he's like, You just go around and just mimic all the other YouTubers that I'm in competition with, that I don't really care that I am in competition with. What's going on? Yeah. For sure. Yeah, some people just like, let me just trade in silence and give me your edge, right? That's kind of the idea. What's up, Greco? How'd you do yesterday? Trading 50 lots at a time. You got green, right? I think you went green, took off. You know, get this 15-minute to close green. I wouldn't deny 25,930. The heck?
Very vital for our morning.
Hey, All right, we need this 15-minute. This 15-minute needs to close green.
Give him another pen.
Start him off with this. That's Dad's pencil. My kid has this like lucky favorite pen, and he doesn't like to do school or go to school if he doesn't have it. I don't know. I don't understand it. I don't get it. Besides, at 9 years old, why would you use a pen? Use a pencil. J and K is really diverging. J and K in straight fall. J and K? What is J and K? Bloomberg, high yield.
Why isn't anybody ready?
Yeah, I should have bought junk silver too, right? Dang. Junk bonds. Yeah, it looks high risk. It looks high risk for sure. That's a Dixie at. Oh, wow. Okay, okay. Well, the bonds reason why bonds are dumping is because Dixie's pumping. Last 3 minutes, we've just been straight pump. We got about 3 minutes for this 15-minute to close on the NQ.
Or the gloves you used the other day, Ryan.
Everyone is getting into cash. Well, you gotta get into something. For news though, ISM, we came in less. $7.146M for Jolt's job openings. ISM services PMI 54.4 over 52.3. Previously 52.6. It's gone down. Gone down.
We have to leave. Yeah. You need that to stop working and help me get you guys out the door.
You hear my kids? My wife actually yelling at my kids. Yeah, she did.
Please get out of the corner.
She did. It's a short. We couldn't get it to close better, but back on the 5 EMA on the 15 here, so are you still in here, Alex? So you found a way to get the MVI alerts into Telegram. Now, how do I get this to let me see. wait, wait. Man, technology. My question is how do I get that? It's cool. Yeah, well, I see it. I'm trying to. I don't have Telegram on my computer. Or my phone. So I'm trying to figure out how to get it to. Be used. I'm able to use it. I took a picture of it with my phone and it's not coming up. Yeah. Sorry, I was just, I gotta figure out. Like I used my phone. It said download it to Telegram. So I open browser. Interesting. My question I'm trying to get at is like, even though I see it here on my desktop, How do I get it to work on my desktop? Yes. Let me try something. No, that didn't work. Because I mean, I understand QR codes are good for a phone, but yeah, I'm attaching that now. Oh, if I'm gonna have a phone, got it. I didn't get the code. So what would that entail? Well, would it make noises on my stream then? Just like your MVI does? Cool. Yeah, that's fine. That's cool. If I could add Market Pulse to the stream, that would be cool. But this MVI's works too. Let's see if we can't it's not sending me a code. Hmm. Having a hard time getting me a code. Phone number. So I downloaded it. Give me some issues. So start messaging. It's up 60 hour. Daily market. Yes, we do have a Discord. I haven't set up the chat bot yet to do that, but we'll get you in there. 1 second. I should do that too. I should set that up. I only have Lucid and Blue Sky right now, but I don't have the lower third up, so I can't. I'm not advertising it yet, but I'll probably do that tonight. See, got to work out the kinks while my subscribers are low, and then get it going. But no, Telegram's not working. So we sent an SMS with the activation code. No code. There we go. Right up to this pivot. I bet you we go to this pivot. Just feeling this 25,930. Just no reason to go down yet. Nice pump. Over 20 points. 60, 80. 25-point pump. Got a gap down here for one tick. 25,846. All right. For some reason, it doesn't want to send me a code. I'll give it a minute to retry it. Let's look at the dashboard. Alright, cool. See if it worked. Let's test these out. We got Apex, Lucid, Blue Sky, PayPal, Macdicator. There we go. Let's see if that works. See if they come up. And voila. Boom. Oh, bounce off the VWAP. Wow, what a dump. Missed that candle, huh? 60-point dump on 1 minute. Not to add, we just continued past that. 100 points. All 85 points. Sheesh. round trip. 86 down, 85 down, 85 back up. A long might be a better entry. What was that dip? Oil. Something going on in oil. Kind of what that is. And there was this. Boom. Got to test that one. All right. Stuck above VWAP, which is not a bad thing. Anybody go long down there for 40 points? 20 points? Anybody in a trade? I mean, we're bouncing off 822 pretty good. 1, 2, 3 times. But we keep coming back to it like it's like gotta hold on to it. You think it put a lid on high of day? That could have. We going back down. Alex, I wish this app was working, but it's not working. Not even sending me a code. I sent in an email saying I didn't get the code, so like, yeah, I was just like, well, not getting an activation code. No, I understand. It would have been cool to add it right now. It would have been cool to add it. Buying a new camera and a new mic. Come on. Got it. So in other words, the telegram you sent, Alex, was pretty much is that a set setting, or can I adjust that too once I get into it? If I can get into it. Is that like just gonna be the way it is, or I mean, I don't know if I'll be able to get into it. Okay. Right. Needs to break 900. 25 900. I'm gonna take a quick away from the camera break, if you don't mind. Um, Ooh, I had a feeling this pivot was 930. This 930 was in the targets. 1 second, be right back. Alrighty then. I'll work on that. If there's another way we can do it, put by putting it in a QR code. Now that we know we can put it in a QR code, for the MVIs, that would be something to work on. Telegram though doesn't seem to want to work. Maybe I need to uninstall it and then reinstall it. Hmm. Got it. All right, I got it. I'm in. It worked. Are you talking cleaning for for dust, or are you talking cleaning for software? Um, you know, kind of have to kind of just depends how much stuff have you put on it. I mean, you've been dealing with that computer for a couple weeks now, 60 hour. What's going on? Maybe we you is it I guess in my instance I always thought to myself make it faster. Rather than delete things to make it faster, I just add things to it. Maybe you need a new RAM card. Do you know what size RAM card you got in there? It's only a few years old. Yeah, it's outdated. Like, I bought my PC a couple years ago too. Freaking outdated. They're selling 5070 Nvidia cards when I got a 3070. It's like, geez, that's 2 generations up. They're saying they're like, mine's a generation 12. They have a generation 14 now. I get it. It's like outdated as soon as it comes out of the box. I don't know if Alex is still in here. He might be, but I'm in the TWB MVI bot, so it says start, but I've got nothing. I opened it up. Maybe maybe your RAM is just bogging you down. What size hard drive do you have? 16 gig. Okay. I mean, that's decent. AMD Ryzen 5, 3606 core. Okay. I mean, that's what's gonna do the AMD right there. Used to be faster. Yeah, that's internal then. That's software slowing it down. Do something here. Still pumping the 930. All right. 930. Is it gonna hit? We got 10 points left to hit 930 here. What's up, Kaz? There you are. Boom. Check out this background music. You've already seen it.
Think with Bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night.
25,690. You're shorting this. Oh man, you're shorting this. 25,690 tomorrow.
Trust that chat, slow control, no FOMO.
Right now it's going up.
Teach us that if you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Mom's, dad's, grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars, trades, a schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community, scam a Ponzi. I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with Bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with Bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.
Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough, you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. That's right. Everybody's favorite community, the Think with Bookmaps.
We could reject this pivot, or we can go right up through it. Let's look at the 5. Oh yeah, no, we're going to 83, 983. Sorry, Kaz. Mr. Kaz Trades watching the chat on the NQ Bookmap. We're gonna look above and fail. It wants that bottom of that gap. It's gonna take it too. I wouldn't short till 983. I mean, classic bull flag, breakout. Wants to look above and fail or reject here, but I mean, I would be trading for that.
All these guys are saying where the females at, man. I'm saying, bro, what are you on about, man? I'm trying to trade futures in here, bro. We trade futures, man. This is futures trading. If you wanna go find a girlfriend, then go on Tinder, bro. Go on Tinder, go on Hinge. Go on some other app, bro. We trade futures in here. Think with Bookmaps community.
I'm gonna call it out. 25, 982.50 to a T. I bet you would get there real fast. Definitely 935, but at this gap up there, here I'll draw out lines. We'll watch it together. One there, and then right there, and then wow. This thing is gonna just bust through.
Beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in. Yeah. Charts run deep when the lights go low.
I mean,
Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap,
pretty
just the
clear.
honest flow. We
That
don't
there,
guess here, we
that
just let
there.
it go. Watching
This right
Bookmap like it's
here.
painting truth. Every level tell a
Oh
story,
yeah.
every flash got
No,
proof.
bye-bye.
I've seen traders break down, trying to chase that
Sorry
move,
guys
but
on
we
the
sit still, even when the
book
price
maps.
gets
Don't short
loose.
this thing.
You see red, you panic, we see red, we wait. Discipline the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. TV30B taught me how to trade and leave. Think
Right,
with
like,
Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want
full
thrills,
flag
but this
here,
game's too
shoot
real.
up here.
One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's
We're
how
on the
you
618
heal.
right now,
Mind
so
sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare up at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits. That's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take
long
the
all-time
notes. Every
highs.
word hit different when your
They're
soul's
going
that
higher.
close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with a tape, heart on chill. Master the mind, that's the real skill. Think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. T-POVB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see. That patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade.
yes sir. Thank you. You get a wrench. I don't need a lot of mods right now. I just got the 3. Alex Elliott will get a wrench no matter what. But yeah, you got a wrench in this channel. You got a wrench. I gotta type giveaway in my tag. My tags are crap. I filled up everything I could for tags, but the problem is gotta work on that. Okay, let's see. We're coming up on a standard deviation. Influencing with the book up here. See if we can get above it. Like it's eyeing up this 930 area real nice. So we could just whoop right up to 935 real fast. Just another big green candle. Yes. There we go. Oh yeah. 935's got 90 lots. We're gonna go tap it. Let's go. Deltas are green. Man, it's gonna fight to get to 930, but once we get past that, close up here, close. There it goes, 929, 930. Ooh, said nope, rejected. Liquidity grab. Apex still have that 90% off sale. Let's look. Apex. No sale. No sale. All right now. January 11th? I don't see it. Oh, well. You're probably right. It doesn't say there though. Any sale. 916. Man, just barely. Man. 930. Another bull flag. Might want to fix this fair value right here. Right there. See what it does. No. Jeez. So PAs are till January 11th. Got it. And then the 90% offs ended January 6th. So got it. All right, we do that, delete that. Went through it. I want to see how it responds here at 902. I'd say right here, 903.50. Because we got that fair value filled. What's gold doing? Dumping? Oh my. What did you do? Do a $10 move on gold in a minute. If not, $15 in the last 5. Let's look at silver. Nice long on silver. And the first gap right there. Boom. Reject. Second gap up here. Left a couple gaps down below. All right, well, I'm going to give this thing another couple minutes. Broke that 900. Well, I haven't taken any trades today. Watching the market. Sometimes you got to do that just for psychology purposes, trading purposes. Just sit in front of the chart for a couple hours and then read it, watch it. It kind of rebuilds the whole process of trading. Because even if you're not in a trade, you're still taking a trade mentally. I didn't even trade options today, so. But I guess what I'm saying is sometimes you have to take a break from actually clicking buttons, getting those dopamine hits, resetting the dopamine. It's kind of what you need to do in that regards, and you have to be able to sit in front of the chart and not take a trade. Why? Well, because it helps the mentality. It helps your thinking. Let's go about it like that. Actually, as I've been sitting here watching the chart, not taking trades, not trying to focus on getting into the market, rather than just focusing on trying to analyze this thing and say, okay, yeah, I would take a short at this pivot, right? You kind of just rebuild your trust in the market itself and your thought process with the market, and how it moves, and reconfirm, without having a massive amount of dopamine in your system to get in and out of a trade. So you can reset that dial, because your mind is a rubber band, as I've said before. And when it really comes down to taking a trade at a level, it really helps when you just sit and watch sometimes. But in the meantime, tomorrow I'll be back, same time, same channel, same place. I appreciate you supporting. Shout out to RMTWB. And go ahead and continue to promote Apex and all of the Discord and everything else as it sits, as you see it. So it's just not a big deal to me. I just want to be able to help people. So outside of that, I hope you have a great night. Stay green. I might be in the Discord tonight live. I don't know. We'll see how I'm feeling. So get you guys started off in Globex. But thank you. Have a good night.
Gas beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in.
Yeah, charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets loose. You see red, you panic, we see red, we wait. Discipline, the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. WB taught me how to trade and lead. Think with Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want thrills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live. Sometimes I stare at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill, master the mind, that's the real skill. Think with book maps, feel that pace. WB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too. Yeah, think with book maps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too.